2, 1.
This is actually my first job for KZ. Still on there pretty good. 3 years into this build so far, and we have HRE flow form. Up front, we threw on quite a big brake kit for the 4 Series here. I think they're using the Saturn spec rotor with the kit, so that's all included with that whole kit there. Eventuri intake, cold air intake, Evolution Raceworks beauty cover, aesthetic cover here. These are paint matched reflector inserts from IND. Oh, and the first KW coilovers, V3s that were just put in. Yeah, this is also stock turbo. Just the Evolution Raceworks downpipe and aquapopping cap back. So.
They don't have it. They don't have it. Great Value has it. Look at this. Cream, vanilla flavor. Sorry, Activia.